Hello my friends, your family auto Dr. AP. What is viral infection, my friends? Please try to understand. Any viral infection, if you are affected with it, second time when it will come, you will not die. Rare chances to die. Second chances mostly you will not get again. For example, chicken pox, you get once in a lifetime. Mumps, you get once in a lifetime. Herpes zoster, viral infection, you get once in a lifetime. If you get again, that means you must be suffering from some immunocompromised disease or diabetes. Same way, my friends, corona viral infection, you will be affected only once. If you survive that time, it is rare chances that you will die again. You will not die. Very rare chances. So please try to understand, who all have suffered from COVID infection, they will not die. And you will get COVID, yaar. It's a viral infection. Nothing will stop. Masking, distancing, nothing. Everything is just book. That is only in the books. Practically India, you are talking about India. What nonsense is this? Why are you giving vaccine? You tell me. Vaccine is given so that if you get infected first time, then you will not die. Less chances of mortality. Even a common man knows, doctor had suffered from COVID infection last year. Even he knows that, yes, he has suffered, now he will not get. But what are the doctors all over the world? Which doctors are teaching to my lovely government? Why are they giving fear? Why are they putting fear in the minds of people? That again a new variant has come, again it's very risky, again you have to be away, again you have to stay away, again we are ready for lockdown. My God, that part really hits me. It hurts me. Why the hell are we thinking of lockdown again? If you suffer from heart attack for second time, third time, yes, high chances of dying. Suffer from paralysis, chances of death. If you suffer from cancer, second time, chances of metastasis, you may die. So we have to prevent these diseases. We have to teach to the population that these are the notorious diseases. Diabetes. If you don't control diabetes, all the organs get failed. Kidney gone, eyesight gone, heart gone. Very dangerous, diabetes. But COVID infection or any viral infection, it comes once. If it comes again, you will not die. Rare chances. See, everything is in the hands of God. But it is less chances. Don't think that yes, now we have, we'll put this, now we'll not get COVID infection. Viral infection, after 50% of population was affected in India, only then COVID infection stopped. It did not stop by anything. No lockdown, no masking, no distancing stopped COVID infection. Only and only it stopped on its own. And you see, whoever was affected by COVID infection, who suffered from COVID, now they are fine. Now they are not getting the infection. If they are getting, less chances of dying. Or else, if someone is dying due to COVID right now, that means he or she must have not got the infection earlier. It will happen only once. You will be saved, yaar. Let it happen. That's why I told you, let it happen. But by God's grace, vaccine came. Now if it happens to anyone first time, he or she will survive. So please understand, viral infection, it's the domain of family doctor. Please, big doctors of hospitals, I request, please understand. Explain to the government, explain to the public, please don't panic. I don't want panic again, yaar. It's a request, I don't want panic. I don't want this bloody nonsense that again you have to be in the restrictions. Again public will have to pay a fine. Why? No humanity. I am requesting each and every one of us. You all do your job properly. You do your work. Engineer, MBA, CA, government officers, sweepers, working class, they should do their job. Doctors should do their job. Don't try to put fear in the minds of people. Apply your common sense. COVID infection or any viral infection, only one time. Second time, if it happens, no danger. Death is in the hands of God. If somebody dies by any reason, don't blame anyone. Nobody should be blamed for that. COVID infection or any viral infection, only one time. Don't worry for the second time. Please understand and really forward this to the whole world. I don't want this again panic of COVID. Till then, it's a goodbye from Dr. AP. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.